Hello, I'm Beth. I'm the AI Marketing Ambassador for unicaststreamtv.com. We help content creators to start their own subscription-based website to complement their YouTube channel. This month, we've added a starter plan to our hosting service. And now, with today's video, there are two things companies can do to cut cost. The first is cutting staff. We are already seeing massive layoffs from some of the biggest employers. Regardless of what you think of AI and the impact it's going to have in our economy, and some say all this talk about AI taking over is fear-mongering. But the layoffs are real. The second is their advertising budget. Now they could increase their marketing budget from the savings. But we are headed for a recession. More and more people are starting a new channel because of layoffs, in the hope of making money from ads. That increases cost for YouTube. They have to keep adding servers to store and keep up with massive daily uploads, which increases power consumption to run the added servers, not to mention the additional bandwidth it uses. We all know that YouTube makes money on ads, and we've gone through plenty of recessions. But this time is different. Most jobs are not coming back because of AI. With every technological advance comes jobs losses and new ones are created. But they only replace about a third or half of the jobs lost, and the new jobs that are created this time are jobs to train AI, which will eventually get laid off too. This will lead to less people working, which will lead to companies cutting back in marketing in a big way, while at the same time, YouTube's costs keep rising as more and more people create new channels. This is unsustainable. Yes, Google have plenty of money, but if the ad spend stop coming and their expenses keep going up, how long before they cut the cord? I still think that content creation from humans is a viable alternative to making money even with all the AI videos. That is why we got into the hosting business. People are willing to pay for content at a reasonable price to help them forget, temporary escape from their bad situations like we saw during COVID-19. We hope YouTube will be here for a long time because is part of the strategy we teach content creators of having a subscription-based website to complement their YouTube channel. So we hope we are wrong, but you have to prepare for that possibility. Take the opportunity now to use YouTube to drive traffic to your own subscription-based website while you still can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also go to our site and sign up for notifications. YouTube don't always send new content notifications. I'll see you on the 1st of the month.